Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install Waves VST into After Effects and Premiere, detailed guide step by step clearly. Start by checking that you have the Waves VST installer downloaded on your computer. Locate the downloaded file in your Downloads folder or designated location. Double-click the installer to launch the Waves Installation Center. Follow the on-screen instructions to begin the installation process. When prompted, choose the VST plugin format for your operating system. Select the default installation directory or choose a custom location if needed. Once the installation is complete, open After Effects or Premiere Pro. Go to the Edit menu and select Preferences. In After Effects, click on Audio and in Premiere, look for Audio Hardware. Next, add the installation directory where the Waves plugins were installed. Make sure to apply or save changes in the Preferences dialog. Restart After Effects or Premiere Pro for the changes to take effect. Now, open a project or create a new one. In After Effects, go to the Effect menu and search for the Waves plugin you installed. In Premiere Pro, open the Effects panel and find the Waves plugin under Audio Effects. Drag and drop the plugin onto your audio track or clip. Adjust the settings of the Waves plugin according to your project needs. You can now begin using the Waves VST to enhance your audio in After Effects and Premiere Pro. Make sure to explore the various features and presets available within the plugin for optimal results. Enjoy the improved audio quality in your projects with Waves VST. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.